Happy Friday, folks. It's time to get it. Let's go. Last day of the week, last full trading week, really, of the year. We've got the holidays kicking off next week. A couple big things to talk about this morning. One, the Nasdaq continues to come under pressure, down another 1%. This morning, it was down 2.5%. Yesterday, tech stocks just getting absolutely crushed. Why? Well, we've had three big central bank meetings this week, another one today with the Bank of Japan. All these central banks are beginning to become a little more hawkish in their Fed speak. What does that mean? It means that potential higher rates, higher interest rates are on the horizon. Those higher interest rates tend to put more pressure on growth stocks. So a lot of these tech stocks that are dependent upon future cash flows, those higher interest rates putting some pressure. We're seeing people rotate out of that sector. As a result, Nasdaq just getting absolutely crushed, giving people a trading opportunity, certainly here at Nadex, to trade that price action, seeing a continuation of that this morning, seeing weakness across the board, as well as Dow Jones and the S&P. Look over at the FX rates. Dollar weakness yet again, seeing strength in that British pound, strength in the euro, strength in the yen. Oil, another market that we've seen just all over the place. It's down about 2% this morning, trading right around $71 a barrel. So that being said, folks, again, another volatile day, a lot of price action out there. Let's make this Friday a good one. Get in there, let's trade it up, and I'll see you folks again on Monday morning.